Right now, you are losing. Not to someone stronger, not to someone smarter, but to your own mind. You say you want success, but you wake up late. You scroll mindlessly. You drown in distractions, and every day you repeat the same cycle. You feel it, don't you? That voice in the back of your head whispering, you are wasting your potential, because you are, and if you don't change now, you never will. This is your way out. This is monk mode, the most disciplined, most ruthless, most powerful version of yourself. You either enter it or you stay trapped. The choice is yours. Monk mode is not a challenge, it's not a phase. It is a full reset of your mind, body, and spirit. A period of total discipline, complete control, no distractions, no excuses, just execution. If you want to become someone the world respects, if you want to separate yourself from the weak, there is no other way. This is where you either rise or stay forgotten. Remove every weakness. No alcohol. Alcohol numbs your mind, weakens your discipline, and steals your potential. Successful people don't sabotage themselves daily. They stay sharp, focused, and in control, while others waste time drowning in distractions. You should be building. No smoking or drugs. If you need substances to function, you're already losing. Smoking and drugs weaken your body, cloud your judgment, and make you dependent. Every hit, every puff, every pill pulls you further from your potential. You either stay addicted or take control. The choice is yours. No porn. Porn is silently destroying your drive. It drains your energy, kills your confidence, and rewires your brain for weakness. Every time you watch, you're rewarding yourself for doing nothing. No social media scrolling. Endless scrolling steals your time, distracts your focus, and pulls you away from your goals. While you're watching other people's lives unfold, you're letting your own slip away. Use social media as a tool, not a distraction. If you're constantly scrolling, you're letting others control your attention. Build the rituals of the elite. Wake up early. The most successful people start their day before others even open their eyes. They use those quiet, uninterrupted hours to focus, plan, and dominate. Train every day. Your body is the foundation of everything. Physical strength sharpens mental resilience. Every day you train, you prove to yourself that you can push past limits, overcome discomfort, and keep going. Eat clean. What you put into your body directly impacts how you feel, think, and perform. Eating clean means choosing whole, nutritious foods that energize you rather than processed junk that slows you down. Read daily. Knowledge is power, and the most successful people make reading a daily habit. Every book you read expands your mind, sharpens your skills, and gives you the edge over those who don't invest in their learning. Deep work. In a world full of distractions, deep work is your weapon. It's the ability to focus for hours without interruption, cutting out all noise to achieve peak performance. Embrace the isolation. No useless conversations. Stop wasting words on people who don't matter. No seeking validation. Stay quiet. Let your results speak. Most people will never escape. They will stay addicted, stay comfortable, stay weak. They will watch their lives slip away and wonder why nothing changed. But you have a choice. You can either lock in, cut the noise, and become something rare, or you can stay exactly where you are. Monk mode is not for everyone. It is only for those who are truly ready to become the person they've always dreamed of. So I'll ask you one last time, are you ready to lock in or stay where you are now?